Yeah. Come on, hurry up. Yeah. Gotta go. Hurry up. Gotta be there in 30 minutes. Come on, hurry up. Can't wait up.
Yo, buckle your seats. Back on the scene, clean off your feet. Before you hop up in the ride, better remember it's me that you rolling with. No drugs in the whip unless we play my shit. We gon' get high in this bitch well. Been at it a minute, I started back in 2012. Paying for garage band sessions just to hit myself. $40 an hour and gas money spent. Looking back at it now, we really helped the kid. Now we on a different tip. Self-made and independent. Everything you hearing now is all me. I learned to mix it. Production next, but for now it's on Burbs. He killed the beat while I put it in a hearse. It's only necessary. I came up from the bottom, put the work in. I have a dream, have a vision, have a purpose. It took some time to get to where I am today, but trust believe that we ain't even hit the surface. Yeah, I came up from the bottom, put the work in. I have a dream, have a vision, have a purpose. It took some time to get to where I am today, but trust believe that we ain't even hit the surface. Yeah.